walking down Mill Avenue. Our historic downtown is one of the things that Tempe is best known for. These days, it's not quite the same. COVID-19 has changed our world, but here in Tempe, we're known for solving problems with compassion and innovation. In every part of Tempe, businesses have been working hard to find new ways to serve you with health and safety as top considerations. They've come up with new curbside service options, contactless payment, and more. They spread their tables out, changed the way that we wait in line, and have new hygiene procedures to help make dining and shopping safe, easy, and as fun as possible. Even our public spaces have more intensive cleaning schedules.
Tempe businesses have been through a lot as we move through this pandemic and economic recovery, and they're taking the steps to make their customers feel safe, to take care of their employees.
There have been a lot of changes in Tempe this year, but so much has really stayed the same. And everything that you love about Tempe is still here. Warm hospitality at hotels like this one, delicious food, handcrafted cocktails, hiking trails, paddleboarding, public art, and so much more.
Let's do a wrap and let's do the garden dill potatoes.
Potatoes, okay. Welcome to Pedal House. We're ready to safely host you.
Everything in Pedal House is incredibly safe and they're following CDC guidelines. Just like all of our merchants, our restaurants, and our business centers here in downtown Tempe, they're all ready to welcome you back safely.
Rest assured, our businesses are practicing safety protocols to keep you safe.
So whether it's social distancing markers on the floor so we can keep our social distance, or signs on the door and throughout their building so that you know what steps they're taking to keep their clients, their customers, and their employees safe.
And know that while you're walking around, everything that you could possibly touch, a parking meter, a button at a crosswalk, anything happening within our downtown, we've cleaned on the hour every single day. We're working hard to keep this downtown safe, to keep it clean, so that you can come back and enjoy responsibly.
We invite you to support our Tempe businesses. Buy a takeout meal or dine in. Take a staycation at a Tempe hotel. Visit a museum or spend money in a local shop.
Thank you so much for stopping by, and you should know that you can order same-day delivery or pickup up to 2 o'clock. Oh, perfect.
There's nothing about COVID-19 that is fun. It's deadly serious. I should know. I had it earlier this year. COVID-19 has robbed us of good times, good health, and good people. But if we work together to wear our masks, keep our physical distance, and follow state protocols for health and safety, we can start having those special moments again. We can safely support our local businesses. We can help them survive and thrive during this pandemic. If we all do a little, it will mean so much.
Buy now, save local.
Buy now, save local.
Buy now, save local.
Buy now, save local.